Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a tax transcript. First, understand that a tax transcript is a summary of your tax return, not a copy of the return itself. You might need one for various reasons, like applying for mortgage, student financial aid, or business loans. We'll cover the most convenient methods to obtain yours quickly and efficiently, ensuring you have the right document for your needs. The quickest way to get your tax transcript is online through the IRS website. You'll need to create an account and verify your identity using information like a credit card number or a mortgage account. Once verified, you can instantly view, print, or download various transcript types, including tax return and tax account transcripts, directly from your secure online account. This method is available 24/7. If online access isn't an option, you can request your transcript by mail or phone. To request by mail, complete and send Form 4560, Request for Transcript of Tax Return. Alternatively, you can call the IRS automated phone line at 800-908-9946. Transcripts requested via mail or phone are typically sent to your address within 5 to 10 business days. For personalized assistance, you can visit a local taxpayer assistance center. Remember to bring a valid photo identification and your social security card. This ensures they can verify your identity and provide the correct transcript. Always double-check which specific transcript type you need before making your request. And hey, while you're getting things sorted, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.